Welcome to 7th Wellness Comprehensive Guide to the Many Health Benefits of Lemon. Lemon is one of our favorite citrus fruits. It's a favorite ingredient in recipes, drinks, and cocktails, adding a delicious bright and tangy flavor to dishes. But did you know that lemon also has amazing health benefits? It can be used in many different ways to promote overall health and wellness. In this guide, we'll explore the many ways that lemons can enhance your health. From promoting healthy digestion and being loaded with beneficial nutrients, to being great for your skin and helpful for calming an upset stomach, lemons have a wide range of amazing health benefits. Let's dive in and explore all the rewards that this delicious citrus fruit has to offer. Digestive health. Lemons are often used to soothe an upset stomach or encourage healthy digestion. This is because they contain a high amount of citric acid and pectin, an impressive combination that helps to break down food particles and move them through your digestive system. Analysis of the effects of lemon juice on digestion has found that it can help to reduce nausea, control flatulence, and enhance the breakdown of proteins. Immunity. Lemons are powerful sources of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to protect cells from damage and helps the body to fight against infection. Drinking warm lemon water daily can help to support your immune system and even help to ward off colds and flu. Skincare. Lemons can also be your skin's best friend. As well as being rich in vitamin C, lemons are full of antioxidants that can help to protect skin from free radical damage. Studies have even shown that lemon oil is effective against skin problems like wrinkles and dark spots. Lemon juice is also an effective natural astringent and can be used to reduce inflammation and large pores. Weight loss. Many people have found great success in drinking lemon water as part of their weight loss regime. Lemon juice is low in calories and can help to reduce your appetite and cravings. Plus, it can help to flush out unwanted toxins and waste, while also providing your body with essential nutrients. Heart health. There have been studies that have shown that lemons can have positive effects on cardiovascular health. Drinking lemon juice has been found to reduce cholesterol levels, making it beneficial for heart health. Additionally, lemon juice is an excellent source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps to keep your heart's rhythm strong. Calming stress. When life gets hectic and stressful, lemon juice can be a great way to help keep you cool. Not only does the citrusy aroma of lemon help to calm the nerves, but lemon juice is also high in antioxidants that can help to reduce inflammation and improve mood. We hope this guide has shown you all the amazing health benefits that can come from lemons. You can easily incorporate lemons into your daily diet and start enjoying all the rewards that this delicious citrus fruit has to offer.